From very long time I have been asked to do vlogs and I was not getting the right content to do a vlog. So today I am visiting IKEA store which has been recently started in Hyderabad. I mean recently in the sense a month ago. So thought why not take you people along with me to the store. So let's get started. So it's around 10 o'clock right now. So I'll be going along with my cousins and we are planning to shop a bit. So I'll be taking you people along with me to the store and show you everything over there, and at the end of the video or in other video I'll be giving you some tips like the do's and don'ts, or some tips if you are planning to visit IKEA. So if you're not aware, IKEA is the world's largest furniture retailer, and it is a Sweden company, I guess. Yeah, it is a Sweden company, and they have recently launched their first store in India, and it is in Hyderabad. As soon as it was launched or started, people were really very crazy about IKEA. The rush was so huge, and there were many news coming about talking about the rush at IKEA. So initially I was excited to visit IKEA, but now I'm very curious to know why people are so excited to visit IKEA. So in today's video we'll check out everything. So let's get started. shopping at IKEA. It was a very tiring day. Trust me, the map is on. We need to head home. So let's get back home. So done with the day almost. I stopped at a drive-in near to a place to have some snacks. I'm so tired. I think I cannot end the vlog at home, so I'll just be wrapping it right now. So that was the day. It was very hectic, and there's a lot of place to roam around in IKEA, and there are a lot of things you can shop. And if you're a person who's going to buy a new house or shift into your new own house, I think that is the best place you can go for to shop for the furniture. So the other details and the water stuff I have got, I'll just do a separate vlog because I have no patience to go home, do a haul right now. So I'll be doing that in a separate video. There I'll be talking about some more details about IKEA, the do's and don'ts in IKEA. So for now, bye bye.